Hey guys, and welcome to actual day 14. You can put it up here on screen. So, the reason why I'm calling today day 14, not yesterday, well, you probably should be confused right now. Anyways, yesterday is now officially day 13.5. I'm going to tell you why. You don't even get to see day 13.5. You want to know why? Because it took me 2 hours to do it. The quest where it becomes secret 5 times that I obviously can't do because I'm banned, and also for some reason you can't find spikes. But it took me 2 hours to find 3 lobbies that had surfboards in them because it wouldn't let me bring them in so I could do the jump thing. It was do the surfboard jump in 3 maps. And of course today is one of those days where I can't give an item to 10 different players when they don't exist. But we will finally be able to get that shotgun. The update came out. I mean, there wasn't really much I could look at. I can't even look at the new map. Destroy 30 pillows though, so I'm gonna do that. Having 4 bows is kinda nice. What was it, 30? So this should be the last. So basically, I don't feel like editing a 2-hour-long video into a 2-minute-long video. So yeah, I'm not gonna release that. There we go. Let's go ahead. So this is now my second day of not being able to do anything. Basically, yeah, because this is the second day in around 186 days. So, because I started this a little bit before that, we're going to say around 200 days. These are the first 2 days, that's 200 days. Yes, day 13.5 and day 14, I haven't been able to complete a quest. So, to the guy that got me banned for no reason, I want you to know, the second I'm not banned, you're not safe. And I'm coming for you with my brand new shotgun. This thing's actually awesome. Wait, it splits off. That's awesome. Oh. How does it, like, when I don't think it does as good, but I like it. It's a cool item. It would be really cool to use in Publix for 5 days. Does it have... I think it has shorter range, obviously, right? Oh, wait. Okay, it does have shorter range, but barely. Let's make every bubble shotgun. Oh, dang. Shotgun honestly looks awesome. I haven't even been able to get the buckhorn sashes though, because you have to have at least 2 people in the lobby to start the game. I haven't been able to see the new map. Bam! No! Well, these are cool. I'm kind of still incredibly disappointed okay, I kind of talked about briefly why I got banned. Just to say it, I talked about it a little bit in the 13 and a half. Obviously, you're not going to see, but just to say a little bit, a guy tricked me and edited a video to sound like I said said something, but I didn't actually. And when I tried to tell the yeeps Discord, they basically did nothing. And so yeah, I applied for an unban, and I actually had a video of them doing this. They basically were just trying to get people to ask him to repeat what he said, and that's basically what I did. I asked him to repeat what he said, and apparently that qualifies as telling him to do exactly what he said. Which it doesn't, but sure. So yeah. I have shotguns now. Actually, I released the video. Should be out. It's titled something like cussing warning. And then it says 4, and it says something. And you can hear me say, if you say the N-word 6 more times, then I can report you to the Discord, because he said the N-word about 6 times before that. And somehow, me just trying to report him is me telling him to do this, then completely different things that they can understand on. So guys, have a good day watching one of my videos, like and subscribe, and have a good day.